Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys, I'm loving it. Can you say chocolate Senegalese twist? If you like what you see, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get these done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I most thank you. Alright loves, let's just get right into it. My hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried. I also cut my ends, and I cut them really tough, meaning I really clip the heck out of my hair. It's because the top of my hair is shorter. It's not catching up with the rest of my hair. So I'm going to keep chopping until it do. But you guys, it's always good to chop your hair off whenever you can. Okay, sweethearts, it took me a minute to find this, but this hair by Spectra, it is the number 33, and it is chocolate. You guys, when I say it's chocolate, I mean it's chocolate, and it's beautiful. It's a great blend, and I love it by Easy Braid. Please check it out. I got it from my local beauty supply store. All my products are going to be listed in the description box below. I don't know why I decided to do these twists when I chopped my hair. You guys, I know it's going to be hard to keep the flyaways in. So also today is going to be tucking. We're going to be tucking, which is going to be a little time consuming, but you got to do what you got to do. I'm using magic fingers for my base, but make sure you're oiling and greasing your scalp as you go, because you do not want no dry scalp while your hair is looking fly, baby. Starting these off, we're going to grab our pointed and our middle finger and our thumb. We're going to start this as if we were starting a box braid. We're going to braid as tight as you can, but not tight enough to hurt your scalp. But make sure you got a good grip on it. You guys, when you're braiding, you're going to braid down to where it's nicely secure. You're going to add some magic fingers to your natural hair, and then you're going to split your natural hair into two. Once we split our natural hair into two, then we're going to get to twisting. Now the secret of these Senegalese twists is not just a regular twist. You have to literally make sure you're twisting each twist, and then we're going to combine them, twisting them together. Adding your magic fingers, making sure your flyaways stay inside, and we're going to put our natural hair in between each of the hair. So it's called tucking. You don't want your natural hair to show through the synthetic hair. So you're going to try to tuck your hair, and then you're going to twist. You're going to twist, and you're going to keep twisting, and you're going to twist downward. See how I'm twisting individually? That's the secret to these Senegalese twists. It took me years to get this technique down. I finally got it down, and guess what? It's on and popping. Make sure you use this clamp on any twist that you do, because you can pull your hair out while you're twisting. As you're braiding all the way down, just so the twist won't unravel, we're going to braid our ends together on the end, just to stop it from unraveling, sweethearts. And that is our first Senegalese twist. Yeah! When doing these twists, sweethearts, take your time. When I say take your time, I mean take your time. It took me some hours to do this. I did stop. I did eat. I do have a 3-year-old, so it is time consuming when you have other things to do besides your hair. Take your time and you'll get it done. You'll get it right. During this video, or all my videos, I like to show you each and every angle of what I'm doing, because I don't like to jump into a channel and I'm like, oh my god, I love that hairstyle, and then you start just doing the front. I need to know all angles, from the back, the middle, the top, the sides, and then the front. So that's what I'm here to do. Pay attention with this tucking, you guys, because this definitely helps with the flyaways. Let me get to work and I'm gonna talk to you guys in a minute. Success, success, success. That looks good. It looks neat. I'm excited. I hope you guys are at this point. You guys see how my arms and my fingers are? This is the reason why I show you. This is a great tutorial to show you, so you'll know how and exactly how to get it done. Your arms, your fingers, the way your head should be moved or placed. You guys just pay attention. If you have to, stop it, rewind it, and you guys, I believe in you. You got this. You guys, being on the final last twist feels amazing. Being though this really took me 7 hours. I've been booking, and again, like I told you guys, I've been busy. I've been doing other things other than just sitting. But if you have nothing to do, this would not take you that long at all. Why? Because it's twist. But then again, you still have to take care of the flyaways. You know, you have to tuck and roll. But you guys, take your time, get it looking sexy. You got this. I super believe in you, sweethearts. Ecstatic, excited, happy that I'm finished. But you guys, beautiful. And look at the color, the chocolatey color, and it stands out. You know what I'm saying? So remember, the color is 33, chocolatey. Right, loves, off camera I did add my perm rods to my hair, and now I'm dipping it into hot water. Please be careful, be cautious. If you're a little skeptical, ask someone to help you. Just please be careful. After I've dipped them and have dried a little bit, go ahead and grab your scissors and cut off the excess ends. Trim just a little bit. You don't need to trim too much, but just make sure everything is nice and even. You guys, mousse helps with the flyaways, and I grabbed my Shine and Gem mousse. It's linked in the description box below, you guys. Please check it out, because this is my favorite one, and I use this all the time. And this is the finished results, my sweetie pies. I am in love. You guys, that chocolate is standing out. Those are neat. You know what? We did a marvelous job, and I can't believe I got this done in the amount of time that I got them done. You guys, you can do this. I think this hairstyle is beautiful. It's simple, and it's cute. It's easy, and I think we all deserve a round of applause. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, please subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you beautifuls next time.